Natural makeup is all about enhancing your features while keeping the look fresh, light, and effortless. Instead of heavy foundation, bold colors, and dramatic contouring, natural makeup focuses on creating a healthy, glowing complexion with minimal products. The goal is to make the skin look radiant and flawless, as if you're not wearing much makeup at all. This style is often referred to as the no-makeup makeup look. It's perfect for everyday wear, giving a youthful and fresh-faced appearance without feeling overdone. Essential products for a minimal look. To achieve a natural makeup look, you only need a few key products that provide light coverage and enhance your features. 1. Tinted moisturizer or light foundation. Instead of a full coverage foundation, a tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or light foundation helps even out skin tone while keeping the skin looking dewy and fresh. 2. Concealer. A lightweight concealer can be used to cover blemishes, dark circles, or redness without making the skin look cakey. 3. Cream blush. A soft peach or pink-toned cream blush adds a healthy flush to the cheeks, giving a natural, youthful glow. 4. Eyebrow gel. Lightly brushed and filled in brows make a big difference in framing the face while still looking soft and natural. 5. Mascara. A coat of brown or black mascara helps define the eyes without making them look too dramatic. Curling your lashes before applying mascara can open up the eyes even more. 6. Lip balm or tinted lip gloss. A hydrating lip balm or a subtle tinted lip gloss keeps lips looking fresh and soft without the heaviness of lipstick. 7. Highlighter or dewy setting spray. A liquid or cream highlighter applied to the high points of the face, cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow, creates a natural glow. A hydrating setting spray helps keep the makeup looking fresh all day. Skincare for a flawless base. The key to natural makeup is healthy, well-prepped skin. Here are the essential skincare steps to ensure a smooth and glowing base. 1. Cleanse. Always start with a clean face to remove dirt, oil, and old makeup. A gentle hydrating cleanser works best for most skin types. 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week removes dead skin cells and gives the skin a smoother texture, making makeup application easier. 3. Moisturize. Hydrated skin makes makeup look more natural. A lightweight moisturizer or hydrating serum keeps the skin plump and glowing. 4. Apply SPF. Sunscreen is a must for protecting the skin from UV damage. A lightweight SPF 30 or higher ensures the skin stays healthy and youthful. 5. Use a primer. A hydrating or illuminating primer can help makeup apply smoothly and last longer throughout the day. How to achieve a dewy, no makeup look. To create a fresh, natural makeup look, follow these simple steps. 1. Start with skincare. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply SPF to prep the skin. 2. Apply tinted moisturizer or BB cream. Use a small amount and blend it with your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. The goal is to even out the skin without full coverage. 3. Use concealer only where needed. Apply concealer to blemishes, under eye areas, or any redness. Blend well to keep it looking seamless. 4. Add a natural flush with cream blush. Dab a little cream blush onto the cheeks and blend upwards for a fresh, youthful glow. 5. Define brows naturally. Use a tinted or clear brow gel to brush brows into place. Avoid overly sculpted brows for a softer look. 6. Apply mascara for subtle definition. Use a lengthening mascara to enhance the lashes without clumping. 7. Highlight the high points of the face. Use a small amount of liquid highlighter on cheekbones and the bridge of the nose for a natural glow. 8. Finish with a hydrating lip product. Apply a tinted lip balm or gloss to complete the look. 9. Set with a dewy mist. A hydrating setting spray helps lock everything in and gives a radiant finish. Celebrity-inspired natural beauty tips. Many celebrities embrace the natural makeup trend for both casual outings and red carpet events. Some stars known for their minimal and fresh beauty looks include Dakota Fanning. She keeps her skin fresh with minimal makeup and focuses on glowing, healthy skin. Elle Fanning loves soft pink lips and a radiant complexion for an effortlessly chic look. Zendaya often goes for natural, dewy skin with a focus on skincare-first beauty. Hailey Bieber popularized the glazed skin trend, using lightweight makeup for a fresh-faced look. Emma Watson prefers a clean beauty approach, using minimal but high-quality products for a refined, elegant appearance. Final thoughts. The natural makeup look is all about enhancing your features rather than covering them up. With the right skincare and minimal, high-quality products, you can achieve a fresh, effortless, and radiant glow every day. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a casual day out, this simple and elegant approach to beauty ensures you look polished without spending hours in front of the mirror.